Welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of AI chatbots. These digital assistants are everywhere, from customer service websites to your favorite messaging apps. But how do they actually work? In this video, we'll break down the technology behind AI chatbots, explore the key components that make them tick, and reveal how they understand and respond to human language. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about the bots you chat with daily, you'll find out what's really happening behind the scenes. Let's get started by understanding what an AI chatbot is and why they've become so popular in recent years. An AI chatbot is a software program designed to simulate conversation with human users. Unlike traditional bots that follow simple scripts, AI chatbots use advanced algorithms to understand and generate human-like responses. They can answer questions, provide recommendations, and even hold casual conversations. The key difference lies in their ability to learn from interactions and improve over time. This makes them incredibly useful for businesses, customer support, and even personal productivity. Next, let's look at the core technologies that power these intelligent agents. At the heart of every AI chatbot is natural language processing, or NLP. NLP is a field of artificial intelligence that focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. When you type a message to a chatbot, NLP algorithms break down your text, analyze its meaning, and determine the best way to respond. This involves tasks like recognizing keywords, understanding context, and even detecting emotions. NLP is what allows chatbots to make sense of our everyday language, no matter how we phrase our questions. Machine learning is another crucial component of AI chatbots. Through machine learning, chatbots can analyze large amounts of data from past conversations and learn how to respond more accurately. Over time, they identify patterns in user queries and adapt their responses to become more helpful. This continuous learning process is what makes AI chatbots smarter with each interaction. It's also why chatbots today can handle a wide range of topics and provide more natural, human-like answers. When you send a message to a chatbot, the first step is understanding your input. The chatbot uses NLP to break your message into smaller parts, identify the intent behind your words, and extract important information. For example, if you ask, "What's the weather like today?" the chatbot recognizes that you're asking for a weather update and looks for the relevant details. This process is essential for providing accurate and relevant responses. Intent recognition is a vital part of chatbot intelligence. This process involves determining what the user wants to achieve with their message. Chatbots use trained models to match user input to specific intents, such as booking a flight, answering a question, or providing support. By accurately recognizing intent, chatbots can route the conversation in the right direction and deliver the information or service the user needs. Entity extraction is the process of identifying specific pieces of information within a user's message. For example, in the question, "Book a table for 2 at 7 p.m., the chatbot extracts entities like the number of people and the time. This allows the chatbot to gather all necessary details to complete a task or answer a question accurately. Entity extraction works hand in hand with intent recognition to make conversations more meaningful. Dialogue management is the system that keeps conversations on track. It decides how the chatbot should respond based on the current context and previous messages. This involves keeping track of the conversation history, managing multiple topics, and ensuring that the chatbot's replies make sense. Good dialogue management is what makes a chatbot feel natural and engaging, rather than robotic or repetitive. Once the chatbot understands your message, it needs to generate a response. There are two main approaches, rule-based and generative. Rule-based chatbots use predefined scripts to reply, while generative chatbots use machine learning models to create responses on the fly. Modern AI chatbots often combine both methods for more flexibility and accuracy. This is how they can answer a wide variety of questions and adapt to unexpected queries. Rule-based chatbots operate using a set of predefined rules and scripts. They follow decision trees to match user input with specific responses. While they're fast and reliable for simple tasks, They can struggle with complex or unexpected questions. Rule-based chatbots are often used for basic customer service, FAQs, or straightforward transactions. Their simplicity makes them easy to build and maintain, but limits their flexibility. Generative chatbots use advanced machine learning models, such as neural networks, to generate responses. Instead of relying on scripts, they analyze the context and create replies in real time. This allows them to handle more complex conversations and provide more natural, human-like answers. Generative chatbots are at the cutting edge of AI technology and are used in applications where flexibility and creativity are important. AI chatbots learn from vast amounts of training data. This data includes real conversations, question-answer pairs, and other language samples. By analyzing this information, chatbots learn how people communicate and what kinds of responses are appropriate. The quality and diversity of training data are crucial for building effective chatbots that can handle a wide range of topics and user styles. Supervised learning is a common method for training chatbots. In this approach, the chatbot is given labeled examples, pairs of questions, and correct answers. The model learns to associate certain inputs with specific outputs. Over time, it becomes better at predicting the right response for new, similar questions. Supervised learning is especially useful for building chatbots that need to provide accurate and reliable information. Unsupervised learning is another training method where chatbots analyze data without labeled answers. Instead, they look for patterns and relationships within the data. This helps chatbots discover new ways to group similar messages or identify common topics. Unsupervised learning is valuable for exploring unknown areas and making chatbots more adaptable to new situations. Reinforcement learning is a technique where chatbots learn by trial and error. The chatbot tries different responses and receives feedback based on how well it performs. Positive feedback encourages certain behaviors, while negative feedback discourages others. Over time, the chatbot learns to choose the best responses to achieve its goals. This method is especially useful for chatbots that need to adapt quickly to changing user needs. Before a chatbot can understand your message, it needs to pre-process the input. This involves cleaning up the text, removing unnecessary words or symbols, and converting everything to a standard format. Pre-processing helps the chatbot focus on the most important parts of your message and reduces the chances of misunderstanding. It's a crucial step for accurate language understanding. Tokenization is the process of breaking down a sentence into smaller parts called tokens. These tokens can be words, phrases, or even individual characters. By splitting up the text, the chatbot can analyze each part separately and better understand the structure of your message. Tokenization is a fundamental step in natural language processing and helps chatbots make sense of complex sentences. Word embeddings are a way for chatbots to represent words as numbers. By converting words into vectors, chatbots can measure the similarity between different words and understand their meanings in context. Word embeddings help chatbots recognize synonyms, related terms, and subtle differences in language. This makes conversations more accurate and natural. Context awareness allows chatbots to remember previous messages and use that information to guide the conversation. For example, if you ask a follow-up question, the chatbot can refer back to earlier parts of the chat to provide a relevant answer. This creates a more seamless and human-like interaction, as the chatbot appears to understand the flow of the conversation. Personalization is a key feature of modern AI chatbots. By analyzing user preferences and past interactions, chatbots can tailor their responses to each individual. This might include remembering your favorite products, greeting you by name, or suggesting relevant content. Personalization makes chatbots more engaging and useful, creating a better experience for users. Many AI chatbots are designed to handle multiple languages. By training on multilingual data, chatbots can understand and respond to users from around the world. This opens up new possibilities for global businesses and helps break down language barriers. Multilingual chatbots use advanced language models to switch between languages seamlessly and provide accurate translations. AI chatbots often connect with other software and databases to provide more useful information. For example, a chatbot might access your calendar to schedule appointments or check inventory in an online store. Integration with external systems allows chatbots to perform complex tasks and deliver real-time updates, making them even more powerful and versatile. APIs and webhooks are tools that allow chatbots to communicate with external services. APIs let chatbots request information or perform actions, like sending emails or retrieving weather data. Webhooks enable real-time notifications and updates. Together, these technologies make chatbots more interactive and capable of handling a wide range of user requests. Security and privacy are top priorities for AI chatbots. They often handle sensitive information, such as personal details or payment data. To protect users, chatbots use encryption, secure authentication, and strict data handling policies. Developers must ensure that chatbots comply with privacy regulations and keep user data safe from unauthorized access. User authentication ensures that only authorized individuals can access certain chatbot features. This might involve logging in with a password, using two-factor authentication, or verifying identity through other means. Proper authentication protects both the user and the chatbot from security threats and unauthorized actions. AI chatbots must handle sensitive data with care. This includes personal information, payment details, and confidential messages. Developers implement strict data handling protocols, such as limiting data storage, anonymizing user information, and regularly auditing security practices. These measures help build trust and ensure compliance with privacy laws. AI chatbots are constantly improving. Developers monitor chatbot performance, collect user feedback, and update models to fix errors or add new features. This ongoing process ensures that chatbots stay relevant, accurate, and helpful as user needs evolve. Continuous improvement is key to maintaining high-quality chatbot experiences. Sometimes, chatbots encounter questions they can't answer. In these cases, a human handover system transfers the conversation to a real person. This ensures that users always get the help they need, even if the chatbot reaches its limits. Human handover is especially important in customer service and support scenarios. Feedback loops are essential for chatbot learning. Users can rate responses, report errors, or suggest improvements. This feedback is analyzed and used to refine the chatbot's algorithms and responses. Effective feedback loops help chatbots become more accurate and user-friendly over time. Analytics tools track how users interact with chatbots. They measure things like response times, user satisfaction, and common questions. By analyzing this data, developers can identify areas for improvement and optimize chatbot performance. Analytics are crucial for maintaining effective and engaging chatbot experiences. AI chatbots are used in a wide variety of industries. They help with customer support, sales, healthcare, education, and more. Chatbots can answer FAQs, schedule appointments, provide product recommendations, and even assist with mental health support. Their versatility makes them valuable tools for businesses and individuals alike. Customer service is one of the most common applications for AI chatbots. They can answer questions, resolve issues, and provide instant support 24/7. This reduces wait times for customers and frees up human agents to handle more complex cases. Chatbots improve efficiency and satisfaction in customer service environments. In e-commerce, chatbots assist shoppers by answering product questions, recommending items, and guiding users through the purchase process. They can also track orders and handle returns. E-commerce chatbots create a smoother shopping experience and help businesses increase sales by engaging customers directly. Healthcare chatbots provide medical information, schedule appointments, and offer reminders for medication. They can answer common health questions and direct patients to the right resources. While they don't replace doctors, healthcare chatbots make it easier for people to access basic medical support and information. Educational chatbots assist students with homework, answer questions, and provide learning resources. They can personalize lessons, track progress, and offer instant feedback. Educational chatbots make learning more interactive and accessible, supporting students and teachers alike. Despite their many strengths, AI chatbots have limitations. They may struggle with complex or ambiguous questions, misunderstand context, or provide incorrect answers. Chatbots also rely on the quality of their training data and can be limited by language or cultural differences. Recognizing these limitations helps set realistic expectations for chatbot performance. Ethics play a significant role in chatbot development. Developers must ensure that chatbots are fair, unbiased, and transparent. This includes avoiding discriminatory language, respecting user privacy, and clearly disclosing when users are interacting with a bot. Ethical considerations help build trust and protect users from harm. AI chatbots can sometimes reflect biases present in their training data. This can lead to unfair or inappropriate responses. Developers work to identify and reduce bias by carefully selecting training data and regularly testing chatbot outputs. Addressing bias is an ongoing challenge in AI development. Transparency means users should know when they're talking to a chatbot. Clear communication helps manage expectations and builds trust. Developers often include disclaimers or visual cues to indicate that a conversation is automated. Transparency is essential for ethical chatbot use and user satisfaction. The future of AI chatbots is bright. Advances in natural language processing, machine learning, and computing power will make chatbots even smarter and more capable. We can expect chatbots to handle more complex tasks, understand emotions better, and integrate seamlessly into our daily lives. The possibilities are endless as technology continues to evolve. Voice-enabled chatbots are becoming increasingly popular. These bots use speech recognition to understand spoken language and respond with natural-sounding voices. Voice chatbots make interactions more convenient and accessible, especially for users who prefer speaking over typing. They're used in smart speakers, virtual assistants, and customer service hotlines. Some advanced chatbots can detect emotions in user messages. By analyzing word choice, tone, and context, these bots adjust their responses to be more empathetic and supportive. Emotion recognition helps chatbots provide better customer service and create more meaningful interactions. AI chatbots are increasingly integrated with the Internet of Things, IoT. This means you can control smart devices, like lights or thermostats, just by chatting with a bot. Chatbots act as a bridge between users and connected devices, making smart homes and offices more convenient and interactive. AI chatbots are becoming a part of our everyday routines. From ordering food to managing schedules, they help us save time and stay organized. As chatbots continue to improve, they'll play an even bigger role in making our lives easier and more efficient. The technology is evolving rapidly, and the possibilities are growing every day. To sum up, AI chatbots are powerful tools that use natural language processing, machine learning, and advanced algorithms to understand and respond to human language. They're used in countless applications, from customer service to healthcare and beyond. While there are challenges and limitations, ongoing improvements are making chatbots smarter and more helpful every day. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of AI chatbots. Stay curious and keep exploring the technology shaping our future.